Hey guys, I keep getting asked about, like, I'm older and how am I going to retire as a tattoo artist? And I got like three options. I got some backup plans, and I wanted to let you guys know, after 20 years of tattooing, I plan on tattooing about another 20 plus years. There's no like long term like thing, put some money in a 401k, Roth IRA, whatever you can to retire. You start doing it at the beginning of your career, super important. Tip number two, hook up with somebody that got good ass insurance, healthcare, medical, dental, fucking full package. Super important. Definitely a must. That helps your retirement goals. Other one is consider bank robbery. I know. It's a little off the wall. You just gotta be able to have that three hots in a cot, and without any like good business strategy or like retirement options, like you could drink yourself to death or die young and leave a pretty corpse as a tattoo artist, or if you're shooting for like the grow the fuck old, bank robbery might be the move. I'm just saying, like, you hit that 40-year mark, your back's like fucking permanently crooked like a C. You're fucking barely able to move your hand because it's like claw shaped permanently, and when you move everything they just pop and crack, and you stand up and your body goes bah, 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 like a firework going off. Federal prison don't sound too bad, man. It don't sound super rapey to like 65 and up. I'm just saying, like, nobody wants old ass. Just throwing it out there. My plan, my retirement strategy is rich kid. I had a bunch of fucking kids, knowing that I sucked at a retirement plan and I needed somebody to move in with. And I figured if I had like 4 or 5 kids that I, know about, and there might even be some mystery kids. If you're one of my mystery kids, keep that shit to yourself. I don't want to know. But anyways, getting sidetracked here. Yeah, I'm hoping that my kids are real successful, so I'm trying to get them through school and like turn them into either like lawyers, doctors, or like maybe like engineers or something that's fucking awesome to do. That's like a 9 to 5, 40 hours a week, PTO, dental health, retirement, like a fucking strategy, maybe like a matching 401k. Shit that I don't value. I valued art. I wanted to color on people, and to be honest with you, I'm super happy in my career choices, but the long-term strategy is fucking weak. Weak as a tattoo artist. It's a lot of upfront awesomeness and a lot of long-term shit. So it's like taking the easy road where eventually you're gonna have to go uphill real sturdy versus just going uphill like at a slow pace of like life. Tattooing's awesome, don't get me wrong, but it's not a retirement thing unless you figure out a strategy like of setting money aside and like really being proactive to how your life is going to work in the future. You're running a business, and the business is the business of you. And that's fucking hard. That means you're paying your taxes, you're paying your own shit. I know I turned into like actually giving serious advice on this jokey ass thing. But seriously, retirement's something to really consider the moment you get into tattooing.